JD Cap 26 here, just do the tips from repairs. And we've got the Martian attacks here. And I'm going to do some purple on his head. Not too much, just a little bit. You got to set the airbrush up. So we're backing it clockwise to home. And putting it out about 5 turns. So let's get to that. Got to be careful with it. Just lightly. You see I'm pulsating. And people say don't pulsate the brush, but kind of have to. Like so. We don't want to put the brush down because it's got paint in it. So now we're going to go in with some green. Sorry for the compressor noise. And we're just going to hit it from a distance. Just slightly coat it. Okay. See how we're doing that? You gotta be careful handling your model because you got parts on there that could break. And the face is gonna be green. It's a different type of green. I don't know if you can see this. I hope I'm getting this. Pulsating the brush. So let's look at it. It looks pretty good. Down here, we use some. Now remember, I go in with hand brushing, so my details come in with the hand brushing. But there's the head. The head's done. So now we have to clean the brush. So now we're going to go in with the blue. We're not going to do the feet. The feet are going to be a different color. This is a blue. Like so. So there he is with all the blue on him, and we're going to do a little more spray painting here. That darn compressor. So now we're going to do the tanks, and very carefully, hopefully, we can do these. We got it blocked off almost like he's having an operation. So let's try to do this. Now we're going to turn the airbrush down, we have to go in there slightly. So we have to pick the model up. Your hands should be clean. I know that he's got some dried paint there, so it won't stick to the base of the body. He's a pretty hefty guy when you lift him and pick him up. We got the tanks done, and we got them on wax paper here. You see we had to bend these in. These were all vinyl, and you have to use a heat gun to bend these in and glue them with CA glue or Gorilla glue, which I used. So that took some doing. I just wanted to point that out. We're going to do the ray gun here with the black, and I'm not actually going to show it because I really have to pay attention to the detail and go in slowly. So that's what the color of that's going to be. Well, as you can see, we got the ray gun all done, and we're just going to paint around that with silver for the gloves. I had to grab a new brush here because I rinsed my brushes and I didn't wipe them down, so I have to soak them again. So we're going to go in here and do this with the black. So I have to do all this hosing with black by hand. Okay. So a lot of detail painting. Do this in here. This is going to be all black. Can you see that? I'm sorry, my big hand is in the way. This is going to be all black in here with some accents. So that's what we're doing now. We're doing the hosing and the hardware on his chest. I know you want to see some actual painting done, so we're going to do some actual painting on the hose right here, like this. Can you see that? I'm going to go all around 360 degrees because it's 3D. You got to go all the way around that hose at all angles. You got to turn the thing and be very gentle while you're doing all this so you don't break anything. So we put some white in the tray here over here, the palette tray. Take some white up on the brush and go in and do these eyes. We have to fill the eye in all around like so. And then we're going to brush over the teeth and dry brush over that. Yeah, it takes a lot of patience to do stuff like this. But you know what? In the end, it's very, very rewarding. You know? Like that. And dry brush over the teeth. So we're doing the collar now. Right here. And we're going in between the rivets. Like so. I don't know if you can see that. Sometimes my hands get in the way. I'm sorry about that. So like that. So now I'll be showing you in here. Hopefully I can do this. The rivets. There's the rivets. You just drop the paint in. Don't worry about getting it on the side. We'll clean that up. Yep, we do paint over it. That's how you do the rivets. With a number 5. I use the number 5 a lot. Stick the brush in there. Move it around just gently. Watch where you place your hands so you don't break any parts off the model. Like that. So he's just almost done. I got this base I made out of clay, and I used the box part. I'm going to put glue that on top of here. Okay, guys. Well, he's all done. I think he came out pretty good. I did a clay base and used a box there, like I said before, and put the nameplate. I didn't paint the nameplate. And his helmet's on. Little glare there. Take his helmet off, maybe. I'll show you with the helmet off. His helmet off. There he is with his helmet off. So I hope you liked my video here, and rate, subscribe, and ring the notification bell, and share if you like. If you don't like the video, pass it on to somebody that does like it. It does do modeling. And thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.